We are given two probabilities about profits for company X and company Y. We want the least and the greatest possible probability that both companies make a profit at the same time. Here is the given information. Company X has a 50% chance, and company Y has a 60% chance of making a profit. First, let's find the greatest possible overlap. The largest overlap happens when the smaller event is completely inside the larger event. If every time X makes a profit, Y also makes a profit, then the overlap equals 50%. Now for the least possible overlap. To make the overlap as small as possible, we spread the events apart as much as we can. We use the union formula. The maximum possible union is 100%, so we set it equal to 100 and solve for the overlap. So our final selections are: the least possible overlap is 10%, and the greatest possible overlap is 50%.